Before our
edit pa raw wala nang edit. Para kung ano yung nakuha mo, yun na. Para yung talagang totoo.
Oo, natural.
Natural to.
Yun yan eh.
Walang may talaman
May audio rin yan? Video ba yan?
serious.
Video.
He is also one of the member of the Congress of the Philippines, and he's an outstanding high school, and at the same time, one of the few government officials with untarnished name.
38 years.
Ganda.
Hello. Hoy.
Oh, ayan na, kasama nyo nga si Eleco, ang kulit nyo ha.
We are honored.
May nawawala, yung mahaba ang baba, nasa?
Also, Quirino High School alumni and the president of Quirino High School alumni. Let's welcome in our order. Let's welcome Honorable Royal Golden.
Hindi.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Ikakat.
Una-una, I'd like to apologize for being late, but I really planned to be late because according to your program, you're parang hindi tama. It should be great at 38. Kasi ako, pang ilang taon na ba namin ngayon? We are in fact, this year, we are celebrating our 50th anniversary as graduates at 38. Kaya wala yung still, kung sabihin yung still. Kasi parang sinasabi, pag nag-attend tayo ng mga party, o kaya yung mga jam session ang tawag namin doon, pagkatapos mga ibang lugar, halimbawa, kami sa Kamuning, dadayo kami sa somewhere in Santa Mesa or in Quezon City, pag nagkatanungan na, at in-English ka pa ng mga bagong Panginoon, nung pareho tayo, ang dinaan natin high school, yung gawa sa kahoy. Tama ba yun? Yung kahoy na yun, no? But many years ago, several years ago, biglang tinear down nila yung ating high school. Ang mayor ng panahon na yun, si Mayor Feliciano Belmonte, who is now our speaker. Alam niyo, nung panahon, galit na galit ako.